Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we'll be going through 100 must-know points from biochemistry for NEET PG and AIIMS. I'll be going through the points chapter-wise. I have divided the video into 5 sections and included all important topics for NEET PG. From vitamins, you need to know classification, function and deficiency disorders. From proteins, I've included the classification, structure and a very important topic, that is collagen. From enzymes, classification, kinetics and isoenzymes. Molecular genetics, you need to know structure of DNA, DNA replication, transcription, translation and the Lac-Operon model. And lastly, metabolism, which is the most important topic from biochemistry for all entrance exams. And in that I have included glycolysis, Krebs cycle, ETC, metabolism and glycogen metabolism. And in glycogen metabolism, the most important topic is glycogen storage disease. So let's begin with vitamins. Vitamin K is required for which biochemical reaction? Carboxylation. This is the previous AIIMS question. Active form of vitamin D is 1,25-dihydroxycholecalciferol, which is also known as calcitriol. And an important point to note is conversion of 1,25-dihydroxycholecalciferol to calcitriol takes place in kidney. Vitamin A intoxication causes injury to lysosomes. This is the previous AIIMS question. Fulminant hepatitis is associated with which vitamin toxicity? Vitamin B3. And an important point to know is vitamin B3 is one of the vitamins which is synthesized in the body. All other vitamins have exogenous supply from outside the body. Site of absorption of vitamin B12 is ileum. Isoniazide toxicity can be prevented by intake of vitamin B6. Cobalt is present in which vitamin? Vitamin B2, which is also known as riboflavin. Which vitamin deficiency leads to lactic acidosis? Thiamine or vitamin B1. Vitamin which is excreted in urine is vitamin C. This is a previous AIIMS question. Required daily allowance of vitamin A in pregnancy? 800 microgram per day. And two more important points to know is the required daily allowance of vitamin A in children from 1 to 6 years is 400 microgram per day, and for men or women is 600 microgram per day, and women in pregnancy is 800 microgram per day. Biologically, the most potent form of vitamin E is tocopherol. Which vitamin is known as Warburg yellow enzyme of cellular respiration? Vitamin B2 or riboflavin. Most characteristic manifestation of pellagra is photosensitive dermatitis, and when this is present around the neck, it is known as Casal necklace. And this is an image based question, so if this image is given, the answer would be pellagra or photosensitive dermatitis. Now the 4 Ds of pellagra, which is most frequently asked, is dermatitis, dementia, diarrhea and death. Now to end vitamins, this is a very important table of vitamin and its deficiency disorder, and I have marked a star mark for all that have been previously asked in NEET PG. So vitamin A, the deficiency disorder is xerophthalmia, night blindness and bit out spot. Niacin or vitamin B3 is pellagra. Pantothenic acid, vitamin B5 is burning foot syndrome. Vitamin B9 or folic acid is megaloblastic anemia. Vitamin B12, the deficiency disorder is pernicious anemia, degeneration of spinal cord and dementia. This is a very important question. Vitamin C, the deficiency disorder is scurvy. Vitamin D, rickets. Vitamin E, peripheral neuropathy. And vitamin K, deficiency manifests as bleeding disorders. Now coming to the topic proteins. Isoelectric point is when net charge of protein is 0. Biuret test is done for detection of proteins, and this is a previous NEET question. Immunoglobulins belong to which class of proteins? Glycoproteins. Proteins are sorted by Golgi bodies. Movement of proteins from nucleus to cytoplasm can be seen by FRAP, and the full form is fluorescence recovery after photobleaching. And this is a previous AIMS question. Most common secondary structure of protein, alpha helix, and the second most common is beta pleated sheath. First hormone to be extracted in pure form is insulin, and this was done by the scientists Banting and Best. Biochemical technique used for separation of hemoglobin fragments, HPLC, or high performance liquid chromatography. Most abundant type of collagen found in human body, type 1. Quarter staggered arrangement of protein is seen in collagen, and this type of arrangement is responsible for the tensile strength of collagen fibers. Collagen type 2 found in hyaline cartilage. The collagen type found in hyaline cartilage is type 2, and this is the previous AIMS question. Major type of collagen found in basement membrane, type 4. This is also a previous AIMS question. Gene mutation seen in Marfan syndrome, fibrillin 1, and the clinical manifestations of Marfan syndrome can be remembered by the mnemonic SEAC, which is skeletal changes, ectopia lentis, and aortic aneurysm. Now, this one important table from collagen you need to know by heart. This is the type of collagen and the disease that is caused by defect in or mutation in the type of collagen. So type 1 collagen, the disease involved is osteogenesis imperfecta or osteoporosis. Type 3 collagen causes type 3 Ehlers-Danlos syndrome, which is hypermobile type. Type 4 collagen causes Alport syndrome. Type 5 collagen causes classical Ehlers-Danlos syndrome. Defect in type 7 collagen causes epidermolysis bullosa, and defect in lysyl oxidase, which is also a protein of collagen, causes Menkes disease. So you must know this table by heart. Which amino acid has a positive charge in physiological pH? Arginine. Selenocysteine is coded by UGA, and this is a stop codon. And these both are previous AIMS questions. Sulfur containing amino acids are cysteine and also methionine. The property of proteins to absorb UV rays of light is due to aromatic amino acid. Now coming to the topic enzymes. Alcoholic dehydrogenase comes under which class of enzyme? Oxidoreductase. Which enzyme is known as suicidal enzyme? Cyclooxygenase, and this is a previous AIMS question. Enzymes which cleaves carbon to carbon bond, lyase. Marker enzyme for Golgi apparatus, galactosyl transferase. Ratio of LDH1 and LDH2 in myocardial infarction. LDH1 becomes greater than LDH2, and this is a flipped pattern of LDH because in normal circumstances LDH2 is greater than LDH1. Enzyme marker for myocardial reinfarction, creatinine phosphokinase 2 or CKMB. LDH5 level is elevated in which cell injury? Liver. Which type of LDH has fastest electrophoretic mobility? LDH1. Peroxidase enzyme is used to estimate glucose. Cyanide is used as a non-competitive inhibitor of which enzyme? Cytochrome C oxidase. Now coming to a very important topic, molecular genetics. Two strands of DNA are held together by hydrogen bond. Which model of DNA was discovered by Watson and Crick? B-DNA. Chargaff rule states that A plus G is equal to T plus C, or adenine plus guanine is equal to thymine plus cytosine. Triple bonds are found between which base pair? Cytosine guanine. At physiological pH, DNA molecules are negatively charged. Y chromosome is acrocentric, X chromosome is submetacentric, and submetacentric is the most common type of chromosome seen in the human body. And telocentric chromosomes are not found in humans. Total number of genes in human being is 30,000. Out of this, coding DNA is only 0.01%. Random inactivation of X chromosome is known as lionization, and this is Lyon's hypothesis. Correct sequence of enzymes required for DNA formation is RNA polymerase, followed by DNA polymerase 3, then DNA polymerase 1, and lastly DNA ligase. During replication of DNA, which enzyme polymerizes the Okazaki fragments? DNA polymerase 3. This is a very important question. Unwinding enzyme in DNA synthesis is helicase. Okazaki fragments are formed during synthesis of double-stranded DNA. In which phase of cell cycle does DNA doubling occur? S phase. Splicing activity is a function of snRNA. Reverse transcriptase is RNA-dependent DNA polymerase. Strand of DNA from which mRNA is formed by transcription is called as template strand. In conversion of DNA to RNA, enzyme required is RNA polymerase. Most common type of RNA is rRNA or ribosomal RNA. A codon consists of 3 consecutive nucleotide units. In translation process, proofreading of mRNA is done by amino acyl tRNA synthetase, and this is referred to as a fidelity enzyme. Amber codon refers to stop codon. Vitamin required for post-translation modification, vitamin K. Normal role of microRNA is gene regulation. Epigenetics is defined as chemical modification of DNA. Null mutation is known as mutation that leads to no functional gene product. A mutation in the codon which causes a change in the coded amino acid is known as missense mutation. Quantitative DNA analysis is done by spectrometer. Which ion is used in PCR? Magnesium ion. Western blot detects proteins. Which test is used to detect mRNA? Northern blot. These two are very important questions. Which method is used to locate a known gene locus? FISH, with the full form is fluorescent in situ hybridization. Light microscopy resolution to visualize chromosome 5 MB. These two are previous AIMS questions. Karyotyping under light microscopy is done by G banding. DNA fingerprinting was founded by Jeffrey. Now coming to the last topic from molecular genetics. Rapid method of chromosome identification in intersex is fluorescent in situ hybridization. Now the last topic in biochemistry, which is the most important topic, metabolism. Respiratory quotient after exclusive carbohydrate meal is 1. Glycolysis occurs in cytoplasm. Kinases of glycolysis are activated by insulin. Compound that joins glycolysis with glycogenesis and glycogenolysis is glucose 6-phosphate. The rate limiting enzyme in glycolysis is phosphofructokinase. Cancer cells derive nutrition from aerobic glycolysis, and this is a previous AIMS question. The number of ATPs produced by Rappaport-Lubering cycle in RBC from glucose is 2. In which tissue is glycogen incapable of contributing directly to blood glucose? Muscle. In humans, carbohydrates are stored as glycogen. Pompe's disease is due to deficiency of acid maltase. Muscles are not involved in which glycogen storage disease? Von Buch's disease. NADPH is produced by HMP shunt. Enzyme deficient in galactosemia is galactose 1-phosphate uridyl transferase. Substrate used by RBC in fasting state is glucose. During exercise, most rapid way to synthesize ATP is phosphocreatine. This is a previous AIMS question. First substrate of Krebs cycle is oxaloacetate. What compound is liberated when citrate is converted to cis-aconitate water? Respiratory quotient of fat is 0.7. Electron flow in cytochrome C oxidase can be blocked by cyanide. Final acceptor of electron transport chain is oxygen. In lead poisoning, which compound is seen in urine? Delta amino levulinic acid. Acute intermittent porphyria is caused by uroporphyrinogen 1 synthase. Variegate porphyria is caused by deficiency of protoporphyrinogen oxidase. Number of iron in transferrin 2, whereas number of iron in ferritin is 4000. Now the last question, which form of iron is present in heme? This is the ferrous form or Fe+2. So thank you everyone. I've included 100 very high yield topics from biochemistry for NEET PG and AIMS in 5 important subtopics. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such content.